You love it how I move you love it how I touch you, my one. When all is said and done, you believe God is one.
Okay guys, we are starting off with foundation, obviously as a base. I kept the face makeup super simple because I'm putting on a bunch of other stuff on my face. So I started off with the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation. Everything will be linked down below, but this has become my favorite, like, everyday natural matte cheap foundation. Fenty comes first, obviously. Then I put on the ColourPop concealer, also a favorite of mine. This is like my top concealer ever. So yeah, cheap face right here. NYX foundation and ColourPop concealer. I'm just like basically giving myself a nice even base, brightening up under my eyes. It really is nothing crazy. And now I'm gonna get into the nitty gritty. As you can see, my skin looks pretty much like my skin still, nothing too glam. So I got this stockings cap from the local beauty supply store to get this mermaid look. I saw it on Instagram and I was like, nah, I gotta do this. I will link everything, like I said before, down below. This is a Morphe palette and I'm using this darker blue and this brighter blue. They're both matte shades to basically contour my face and give myself like a blue contour as if I was a mermaid. And then obviously, if you can't tell, the stocking cap creates the scales on the skin, which is super cool, super cheap and easy way to do it. So like I said before, I'm just applying that blue color all over where I would usually contour. It just makes the whole process super easy. And it also looks really natural because it's like naturally where I may have scales if I was a mermaid. I'm just talking, I don't know how mermaids really look. I'm holding the cap like that because it was super tight on my head. I think the wig made my cap super tight and I did not braid my hair underneath this wig, so it's just a lot going on. So I think that the cap was too tight, so I'm pulling it so I can actually see what's going on and my eyes won't be closed. Disaster. So now I'm going in with a highlight it's gonna be pink. So I'm using those two pink shimmery shades out of this palette and I'm going in and I'm just adding the pink scales and highlight to my face. It makes it very shiny and shimmery and glowy, all that stuff. It's important to use shimmer for this part just to give that glow, and matte for the contour part. It really makes it look more natural and like you actually have these things on your face. I don't know guys, I'm just talking right now, to be honest. This was super fun though. I'm really glad that I did it. What are you gonna be for Halloween? Comment down below and let me know if you're gonna dress up for Halloween. I'm just curious. I look ridiculous. I look ridiculous with this thing on my head. I'm literally watching this back dying laughing. Okay, so I took it off and now I have scales. Whoop-de-whoop-de-whoop. And I'm gonna go ahead and color in my brows. I had this old blue eyeliner that I used to use back in the day when I used to give myself colored under under my eye. So I'm just filling in my entire brow. This pencil is pretty waxy, so it did cover up majority of my hair, and I don't have much brow hair anyways, but it covered up what is actually there. I didn't do anything crazy with the shape of the brow. I just literally filled it in and made it like an even brow. In hindsight, I would have made this brow a different color, maybe a purple color or maybe a darker blue. This blue was pretty bright, like teal basically. but it is what it is. I didn't practice. This is my first time doing this, and I filmed it and I'm posting it, so you get what you get. The brows are my least favorite part of the look, but I still think it came together with the blue on my face and everything, so I don't hate it. Yeah, I don't hate it. So I'm just gonna go in and kind of like give my eyelids a wash of the same blue contour color that I used. And I'm washing over both of my lids with the same colors. And then you're gonna see me go on top on the lid space with that pink highlight, just to kind of bring everything together. You can obviously do a cut crease. The style that I saw, the girl on Instagram that I will link below, she did a cut crease and then put the pink on top, or highlight color on top. Looked really good, but I'm not that skilled and I didn't want to mess up and waste my time trying to do a cut crease when I know damn well I can't do a cut crease. So y'all didn't get no cut crease today out of me. I'm using a bright blue eyeliner from ColourPop. Kind of wish I had used that on my brows, so I just went in on the tips of the brows, trying to kind of just rectify that super teal color and make it more of a blue color. So get what I got, and I'm gonna give myself a super baby wing just to kind of tie everything together so my eyes don't look naked. I did put lashes on. I did not record that. Well, I recorded it, but I cut out the video because it looks like trash. And I ended up taking them off for the actual pictures that will be posted on my Instagram, so go check those out at KandidKinks, shameless plug. But yeah, me and lashes don't get along, so I did apply lashes. They are in the end of this video, like the final footage, but it was tragic. It was lifting after 2 minutes. So I'm going in with this purple NYX lipstick and I'm covering it with this pink one. I used the purple to kind of help mute that pink because it was super pale, ashy bright. And I'm using the purple on the corners just to kind of, again, mute the pink and make it more brown girl friendly. My favorite part of this look is the hair, and I'm just basically wetting the hair with some watery leave-in conditioner. You can use water. I didn't want to get up. I had this right behind me, so this is what I used to wet the hair, and it also gave it a more like sleek, oily look, so it actually ended up being super cool. My favorite part. I'm just so happy that I wet the hair. I bought this blue hair spray dye at my local beauty supply store, and I'm just randomly going through and spraying the hair. It's also helping the hair look a little bit wet and just streaky. It made me look like a real like dirty mermaid, like just a super colorful, like not clean, not perfect sea creature, I guess you can say, which is pretty cool. It's pretty fun. Guys, I don't know why I did this. I saw it on Instagram and I was like, nah, I have to try it just for fun, and it ended up being super cute. And then I bought this glitter spray. Y'all see my nails? Ooh! I bought this glitter spray from Walmart, and it was like $2. It smelled like alcohol. It smelled so trash. I thought I was gonna die, but it really tied. You'll see me dying. It really tied the look in and like gave me that like super glam mermaid look just randomly. So I put glitter everywhere, and boom, honey. Boom, honey. I'm in the water, baby. Can't tell me nothing, baby. I'm so annoying. I thought it came out super cute. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.